Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is your pet, our care. I am Dr. Sudashani Dasanayaka, consultant veterinary surgeon from Sri Lanka. Before we are going to our today's topic, I would like to introduce shopping list when you are going to buy a small pup. Essentials for your pup are kennel or crate, dog bed, collar, leash, dog ID tags, that is identification of your pup, poop bags, poop scoop, food and water balls. It is better if you can buy stainless steel utensils for food and water. For playing purpose, it is better to have hard rubber toys. For grooming purpose, your puppy must have puppy shampoo, dog toothbrush, dog toothpaste, dog brush or comb and nail clippers. Now we are coming to our today's topic, that is vitamin E and your pooch. Vitamin E, it is an essential vitamin for your dog. It is a fat soluble vitamin. However, it is insoluble in water. It is less stable in alkaline medium, but readily soluble in alcohol and organic solvents. Vitamin E discovery and isolation. Vitamin E discovered by Herbert Evans and Catherine Bishop in 1922. First isolated in pure form by Evans and Gladys Anderson Emerson in 1935 from wheat germ oil. Vitamin E is slightly yellow to amber in color. It's clear viscous oil and it is odorless. Vitamin E can be found in two forms, that is tocopherols and tocotrienols. Tocopherols, they have saturated side chain. In tocotrienols, they have unsaturated side chains. Tocopherol can be found in 4 isomers, that is alpha, beta, gamma and delta tocopherols. Tocotrienols, again they have 4 isomers, that is alpha, beta, gamma and delta tocotrienols. Tocopherol, that word came from Greek language. Tokos means childbirth, pheros means to bear, all means alcohol. That means this vitamin E, that is tocopherol, has direct involvement with fertility. In this picture there is an ancient Greek who wears their traditional clothes. Alpha tocopherol, most common form is alpha tocopherol, and it is naturally and biologically most active form. Its chemical formula C29H50O2. Its molecular weight 430.7 gram per mole. Structure of vitamin E, that is alpha tocopherol. It has 6 hydroxychromane ring with isoprenoid side chain. Absorption and transport of vitamin E. Absorption, mostly absorbed in the small intestine. Its absorption facilitated by bile and pancreatic lipase. Absorption is incorporated with fat absorption because this vitamin is fat soluble vitamin. Transport, it incorporated into chylomicrons and released to lymphatic to transport to the liver. In the liver, they bind with very low density lipoproteins and transport throughout the body. Excretion and storage of vitamin E. Excretion, mainly excrete through bile, but small amount of alpha tocopheric acid excretes through urine. Storage, mainly stored in liver, followed by adipose tissue. Functions of vitamin E. It supports healthy skin and coat. It improves immune system, increases fertility, improve muscular functions, enhance rapid wound healing. It improves cardiovascular health. Its main function, it acts as antioxidant, protects cells from free radical damage and protects polyunsaturated fatty acids from oxidation. This is one of the most important function of vitamin E, that is acts as an antioxidant. It improves vision by protecting vitamin E. During vitamin E deficiency, signs and symptoms: degeneration of cardiac, skeletal and smooth muscles, retinal degeneration, reproductive failure in both sexes, and animals suffer skin-related conditions. Vitamin E recommended allowance according to NRC 2006, 30 mg per kg dry matter or 7.5 mg per 1000 kilocalorie, that is 1 mg per metabolic body weight. Foods rich in vitamin E: spinach, coconut oil, olive oil, shrimp, broccoli, sunflower oil, green leafy vegetables, eggs and salmon. Usually, vitamin-rich foods are plant materials rather than animal tissues. Now we are coming to end of the session. I hope you enjoy well. Please leave your comments. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Hope meet you again with another episode. Until then, take care. Goodbye.